So today let's discuss about cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle is the complete sequence of events that occur in the heart during one heartbeat. It includes all the mechanical and electrical events involved in one contraction, which is systole, and one relaxation, which is diastole, of the atria and ventricles. So the duration of the cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds, and there are three phases, which is atrial systole, ventricular systole, and complete cardiac diastole. In the atrial systole, the duration of atrial systole is 0.1 second. Here what happens is the atrium, when the blood comes and fills in the atrium gets contracted and the blood will flow to the ventricles. Phase 1 is atrial systole. In the atrial systole, the atrial walls of the heart get contracts and the atrioventricular valves, which are tricuspid and bicuspid valves, get open and the blood will be flowed to the ventricles. The duration of atrial systole is 0.1 seconds. Phase 2 is ventricular systole. The duration of ventricular systole is 0.3 seconds. Here, after the rapid filling of blood from atrium to ventricles, the atrioventricular valves get closed. So the pressure in the ventricles increases. This will produce the action potential in the walls of the ventricular muscles. So as the action potential is produced, ventricular muscles get contracted. This is called ventricular systole. So when the ventricular systole happens, the semilunar valves opens. As the semilunar valves opens, the blood from the right ventricle flows to the pulmonary veins and goes for the lungs for the filtration, and the blood from the left ventricle goes to the aorta and reaches to the body parts. Then the phase 3, which is complete cardiac diastole. After the contraction of ventricles, the blood completely empties in the heart. So after this, the duration of the complete cardiac diastole is 0.4 seconds. The complete heart muscles get relaxed once the blood is emptied from the heart chambers. This cycle repeats for 75 times per minute, which we call as heart rate, which is 75 beats per minute. Thank you.